Hello and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about the United Kingdom. Look at this map. Do you know where is the United Kingdom? The United Kingdom is a group of 4 countries in Europe. The United Kingdom is made up of 4 countries. What are the 4 countries? These countries are Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Which country do you live in? Scotland is located in the north of the United Kingdom and has 790 islands around its coast. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh, and the national flower is the thistle. Scotland is famous for its traditions, like playing the bagpipes and wearing the kilt. Scotland's most famous food is haggis. This is made from the heart, liver, and lungs of a sheep. And the highest mountain in Scotland is Ben Nevis. Wales is surrounded by the sea on 3 sides. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. There are many beautiful hills and mountains in Wales. The highest is called Snowdon. The national flower of Wales is the friendly daffodil, and there are around 600 castles in Wales, more than any of the other countries in the United Kingdom. Northern Ireland is the smallest country in the United Kingdom and shares a border with the Republic of Ireland, which is an independent country separate from the UK. The capital of Northern Ireland is Belfast. On its coast is a rock formation known as the Giant's Causeway, and the shortest distance between Northern Ireland and Scotland is only 3 miles across the North Channel. The largest country in the United Kingdom is England. The capital of England is London. The River Thames, flowing through London, is the largest river in England. The national flower of England is the rose, and the highest mountain is Scafell Pike. So what do we now know about the United Kingdom? We know that the United Kingdom is a group of 4 countries in Europe, and these countries are Scotland, England, Wales, and Northern Ireland, and each country has its own unique characteristics. For your hands-on activity, create and label a map to show the location of the 4 countries in the United Kingdom. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the UK, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!